Hello there. As you can see, I've more or less just woken up, and 10 minutes to Sophie wake up time, hopefully. If not, I'll hang around online because I want to talk to you when you wake up because I love you. I just wanted to say I love you on a video because I haven't done it in a while, and I just wanted you to be reminded that I will always love you, Sophie, no matter what, and you will always be the girl that I want to wake up next to. You will always be the girl that and be quiet all of a sudden because I do that when I go to sleep. I love you, Sophie. I really do. And last night was amazing. And I hope it was good for you too. I love you so much, Sophie.